G'day and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a short video. I didn't have a video out last weekend because, well, to be honest, I've had a bit of a rubbish week. Poppy, my rabbit, was very sick and for about 2 weeks, and she had an infection. It was due to her teeth, and unfortunately last Thursday we had to put her down. So yeah, it's been a bit rough. Poppy didn't make very many appearances here on YouTube, but she has been in a few videos, mainly live videos, I think. And then every now and again she's been in a video tutorial. So yeah, so that's really sad. And it has thrown me a bit because I haven't done any work. I didn't really do any work when she was sick because I was so stressed and worried about her that, work was the last thing I was thinking of. Yeah, so if you've had a question or a message or something that hasn't been answered in the last couple of weeks, that's why. It's not intentional, it's just, life. So I plan tomorrow to get back to work, which was today. Today is Wednesday. So I hope to get back to work tomorrow. I've got plenty of emails to get through. What on earth was that noise? I have no idea. Yeah, anyway, so I plan to get back to work tomorrow. I'm going to go investigate and see what that noise is. It did not sound right. I've got groceries on the kitchen bench, so maybe they've just fallen off. Now my luck, it'll be the milk. But yeah, so yeah, I just want to let you know, just in case you had a question or something that wasn't getting answered, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Till next time, happy crochet. Bye.